Hello signers, so welcome back to Sign With Me. In today's lesson we are going to be learning how to sign in and out burger sign, and this is the part 4 of in and out burger sign. If you've not seen the 1, the 2 and the 3, it's right there on my page. Do well to go through it, learn, practice, master the signs, and in no time you will be a great signer. So let's learn how to sign in and out burger signs. Animal style. Animal style. So we are finger spelling it. Usually we sign animal style or animal this way, our hands this way, and we do this for animal. And style, we do this. This is kind, and this is also type and style. So instead of doing animal style, in this context, we are going to be finger spelling it as ANIMAL and STYLE for animal style. So, animal style. Mustard. MUSTARD for mustard. So we are finger spelling that as M for mustard. 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 Pickle. 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 You make a piece-shaped sign this way, and then you touch the side of your mouth for pickle. More. More. Like you're adding more to something. So more. More burger, or more onions, more lettuce. So more. Grill. Grill. Grill, like you're grilling something, your meat, your fish. So grill. 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 Dart. Dart. Now you just take your right hand this way and do this. Dart. 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 Add. 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 Now this is more, and then this is add. Add. More sauce. More sauce. Sauce. More sauce, or more sauce. Flying Dutchman. So we are going to finger spell that as FLYING DUTCHMAN for Dutchman. Flying Dutchman. For Flying Dutchman. Swap, change, or exchange. Swap. Instead, now you take your hand this way as if you're trying to play a game, or you're holding on to your pad this way. This way. So you do this. Exchange, swap, instead. Exchange, swap, or instead. Letters. 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 Now your 5 hand this way, bent, with your palm touching your forehead this way for letters. Letters. Wrap. 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 Protein. Now so many persons sign protein with meat signs this way for protein, but in this context I prefer to finger spell as PROTEIN for protein. Protein. Equal. Equal. You take your 4 hands this way and you place it like this for equal, equal, same, same as, same. Now you take your Y-shaped hand this way and you wave it sideways for same, 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 same. Chocolate, chocolate. Now it's in 3 different sign. Chocolate, chocolate. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Sometimes you see they sign it as berry this way, strawberry, berry. But in this context, I'm going to do it this way, or I prefer I do it this way, or we do it this way, as strawberry, strawberry. Then vanilla, 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 vanilla. Root beer, root beer, root beer, root beer, root beer. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticker, sticker. Now you place your hand this way and you do this for sticker, sticker, sticker. Free, free. Your F-shaped hand this way, crossed this way and split it out for free, 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 free. Hat, hat as in brand, a fast food. So hat, hat, hat. Cook. You just take your flat hand this way and you do this for cook, cook. Great job, Sana. So let's put some of these words into sentences. What does protein style means? Protein mean what? Can other hamburger animal style? Can other hamburger animal add to pickle plus grill onions? Great job, signers. Like I always say, practice makes perfect. So always practice, and if this video is too fast for you, please, you can always pause and follow through. Practice, like I always say, because you know what? Practice makes perfect. So until next time, keep signing with me.